All right, tearing down the carb here for Bryan 61. Just taking screws out and everything. Gotta clean it because this has to go back together next week. So spent yesterday afternoon after soaking everything. Actually got pretty clean because it was disgustingly dirty. Getting it all cleaned, taking everything apart and scrubbing. And I think I found why we have a bit of an issue here. Remember how your car would always be really, really black out the pipe, shooting stuff everywhere, and sooty? Well, this right here is pitting from the exhaust crossover that's in the manifold, on the intake manifold. Well, it's so pitted that, look when I run the throttle, it's cracked through the main body. It's went through and it's pitted up the throttle shaft. And you can see here, right there, that's where exhaust has been coming into the engine. So it's been choking itself out, and it's also eroded past back here into this, which is basically an area where there's manifold vacuum. So it's pushing exhaust down the intake manifold. That's why the car runs so black and sooty no matter what we do. And we couldn't see this because this was all carboned up. So having it soak a night or two revealed that. So we can either A, go find a core that's good, like we did on the 59, and go from there and wait for it and rebuild it, or this is a Carter AFB. It's essentially the same as, well, what is now an Edelbrock carb. It's the same carb. Now we could just buy an Edelbrock, slap that bitch on there and be done. Let me know, sir.